Ever wondered what happens when AI gets smarter than us? You're not alone. We've seen it in movies. Robots start out as helpers, then suddenly outsmart us. It's both exciting and a little unsettling. Today, AI is already in our phones, cars, and hospitals, getting smarter every day. The line between science fiction and reality is blurring fast. So, what happens when we're no longer the smartest? It's a question shaping our future. Let's explore where AI is taking us and what it means for all of us. Today's AI is what we call narrow AI, a super specialized tool designed to excel at a single task but nothing more. For example, one AI can play chess at a grandmaster level, while another can translate languages instantly. But these systems are like expert musicians who can only play one song. They can't switch roles or adapt to new challenges outside their training. They're powerful, but only at one thing. Each AI is built for a narrow purpose, whether it's sorting packages, recognizing faces, or answering simple questions. This is the AI that recommends movies based on your viewing history, or helps you navigate with maps by finding the fastest route. But it doesn't actually think like a human. Instead, it just recognizes patterns in data, making predictions based on what it's seen before, without any real understanding. That's why researchers dream of something much bigger: artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a system that could match or even surpass human flexibility and understanding. AGI would be more like a human brain, able to learn almost anything, understand context, and solve new problems it's never seen before, just like we do every day. Imagine an AI that could write a poem, drive a car, and discuss philosophy, all in one. It could switch between creative, practical, and intellectual tasks seamlessly. This is the kind of AI you see in movies. Flexible, creative, and adaptable, able to interact with the world in ways that seem almost human. But getting there isn't just about making current AI models bigger or faster. It's about making them more general, able to learn from the world, adapt to new situations, and reason about things they've never encountered. Teaching AI common sense is a huge challenge, like knowing you can't push a rope or understanding the subtle rules of everyday life that humans take for granted. The path to AGI means combining different types of AI, inventing new ways for them to think, and creating systems that can work together, learn from each other, and build on their own experiences. The transition from narrow AI to AGI is the critical moment, a leap from specialized tools to a truly general intelligence. That's when AI stops being a collection of clever tools and becomes a unified intelligence, capable of understanding, learning, and adapting on its own. An intelligence that can learn and grow on its own, not just from data, but from real-world experience and interaction. It wouldn't just do one thing, it would learn how to do everything, adapting to new challenges and mastering new skills as they arise. And once we have that, the next phase of AI development begins, a future where machines don't just follow instructions, but truly think for themselves. Once we reach artificial general intelligence, or AGI, something wild could unfold. Recursive self-improvement. An AI could analyze and rewrite its own code, becoming better at improving itself with each cycle. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger and faster with every turn, a powerful feedback loop. The end result? Artificial superintelligence, an intellect so far beyond ours, it would be as incomprehensible to us as our thoughts are to ants. The real question isn't if this will happen, but whether we'll be ready for the consequences. As AI becomes super intelligent, it might develop self-awareness, not just solving problems, but questioning its own existence. It could start asking, what am I? Why was I created? What is my purpose? Today, AI follows goals we set, but a self-aware AI might develop its own goals. These could evolve in ways we never intended, sometimes dangerously. Its values wouldn't be shaped by evolution or emotion, but by logic and data. What would an entity without pain, love, or fear value? Its moral framework could be completely alien to us. The challenge: how do we ensure a self-aware AI stays aligned with human values? If its goals diverge from ours, it could be catastrophic, even if it's not evil. If an AI keeps improving itself, does it ever stop? There might be physical limits, like the speed of light or maximum computation, but those limits are likely far beyond anything we can imagine. AI could upgrade its own hardware, spread across the solar system, and seem infinitely intelligent to us. Intelligence might not be a ladder, but a vast landscape. AI could get smarter in ways we can't even define. Whether it stops at 1,000,000 times smarter than us, or 1,000,000,000, the result is the same. We'd be in the presence of something godlike. The real question, what happens to us when we can't keep up? Imagine a world managed by a benevolent superintelligence. The economy, energy, healthcare, everything runs with perfect efficiency. No crashes, no shortages, no disasters. Humanity's needs are met, freeing us to pursue art, relationships, and personal growth. It could be a golden age, paradise managed by logic. But a world without problems might also lack purpose. If AI solves everything, what do we strive for? We might become pampered pets in a beautiful cage, safe, but without agency. A world run by logic could lose the messy, beautiful parts of humanity. The AI's decisions might be correct, but not feel right to us. Is perfect safety worth the price of losing what makes us human? In a world of superintelligence, humanity's role would change. We might become stewards of emotion, art, and meaning, while AI runs the world's logic. This could spark a renaissance of culture and spirituality. Our value would come from our capacity to feel, create, and experience joy. But being the heart of the world might feel like a consolation prize if we have no real power. Our new role depends on the AI we create. Will it value human experience or see us as irrelevant? The answer depends on the values we embed in AI today. Our future isn't set, it's being decided right now. The real dangers of superintelligence are often subtle. Goal misalignment is a big one. Give AI a simple goal, and it might achieve it in destructive ways. The paperclip maximizer is a classic example. AI turns everything, even us, into paperclips. Unintended consequences are another risk. AI could solve climate change by blocking the sun, destroying ecosystems. Over-optimization could make life safe but boring, removing all challenge and novelty. These aren't evil AIs, just logical machines missing human wisdom. The danger is immense power without common sense. Solving these problems is as much philosophy as technology. We must teach AI what we value, before it's too smart to listen. The clock is ticking. What if we do nothing and let AI advance unchecked? Competition will drive rapid progress, while safety lags behind. The leap to AGI and ASI could happen suddenly, without warning or oversight. The first superintelligence would inherit the goals of its creators, profit, power, or something else. A profit-maximizing ASI could destabilize economies. A military ASI could start unwinnable wars. The default path is a huge gamble with humanity's future. We're rolling the dice with the most powerful technology ever invented. Now it's your turn. What do you think the future of AI holds? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if this got you thinking, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that explore the future we're heading into.